Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna try one viral slime hack. So all we need is a bowl, it's so cute, a spoon, some shampoo. I'm using Dr. Batra shampoo and some sugar. Let's start. Now first we're gonna put some shampoo in my bowl. I don't want to waste my shampoo, so I'm not going to put that much, even though I put that much, but it's okay. Once is okay. I'm gonna mix it until bubbles come. The whole thing should be like very bubbly. Now that we're done, add some sugar and keep on adding sugar till it became. See if this hack is a fail or truth. This hack was a total fail. See